What are some social issues you feel strongly about?
I am passionate about racial equality, healthcare accessibility, and gender rights due to their significant impact on society and the need for systemic change.
How can individuals contribute to solving social problems?
People can also make a difference by participating in community initiatives, advocating for policy changes, and educating themselves and others.
What role do you think governments play in addressing social issues?
Additionally, governments are crucial in setting regulations, funding research and programs, and providing public services and support.
How can communities work together to improve local conditions?
Communities can also enhance local conditions by establishing support networks, sharing resources, and creating inclusive and participatory environments.
What are some ways to raise awareness about important causes?
Another approach is to partner with influential figures, publish articles and blogs, and conduct workshops and seminars.
How do you stay informed about current social issues?
I also keep updated by subscribing to newsletters, joining relevant online communities, and attending public lectures and forums.
What impact can social media have on community engagement?
It can also connect like-minded individuals, mobilize support for causes, and provide a platform for sharing experiences and ideas.
How do you think education can address social inequalities?
It also plays a role in challenging prejudices, empowering marginalized groups, and fostering critical thinking and empathy.
What steps can individuals take to reduce their environmental impact?
They can also support green initiatives, practice recycling and composting, and opt for public transportation or carpooling.
How can people support charitable organizations or causes?
Additionally, they can participate in fundraising events, advocate for the organization's mission, and encourage others to get involved.